Not you not having confidence on your lock journey. Let's talk about it. Hello beautiful souls, I am Taja, your self-love soul assistant. We are talking about locks and confidence. They go hand in hand, baby. Hand in hand. And I'm gonna tell you why. We're going to explore 5 transformative tips to help you boost your self-esteem and your self-confidence on your lock journey and your life journey. Step 1, of course, is all about embracing your natural beauty. I cannot stress this enough. When you started your lock journey, you already separated yourself from the others. You decided to embrace your natural beauty and wear it proudly. Go you. I'm so proud of you. We live in a world that pressures us to conform to certain beauty standards. You chose a different path, and that is most definitely something to be celebrated. When you fully embrace your natural self, you send a message to the world saying, this is me and I love me some me. So whether your locks are long, short, curly, kinky, they are now a part of what makes you unique. Let me know in the comments what made you start this journey. I love hearing everyone's lock journey story. It's inspiring for so many people. Step 2 is something equally important: self-care. It isn't just about pampering your locks or doing your hair. It's really about nourishing your inner self and radiating that confidence outward. Consider your self-care routine as like a little gift to yourself, whether it's rubbing your scalp, eating your favorite ice cream, going to your favorite store. These moments are a reminder that you're worth the time and effort. Aren't you worth the time and effort? When you take care of you, you want to take care of everything around you. It's like tending to a garden of self-love. See what I did there? Self-care goes beyond the physical. It's all about nurturing your emotional well-being. Take moments to reflect, sit with yourself, journal your feelings. All of these are forms of self-care. Before we wrap up this segment, always remember, self-love isn't selfish, it's self-respect. Treat yourself kindly and let all of your beauty radiate, because it's inside. You just gotta get it out. Styling with confidence. We're talking about hairstyling now. We get into the hair. Your locks are your canvas. Literally, get creative. It's about looking good as well as feeling good. Now let's start with some practical tips. Experiment with different looks. Styling is literally your time to be creative and stand out. How you style your hair, what you do to your hair says a lot about you and how creative and expressive you are. I remember when I first started my lock journey, I kid you not, on day 2 and 3, I was already styling my hair. I was putting it up, putting it back. I was already accessorizing it. I was doing everything because I wanted to make it fun. And I'll show y'all right here because I was literally styling my hair day 2, 3, 4, and so on. I pretty much came from styling my loose natural hair any kind of way I wanted, and I felt like I was gonna miss out on that when I got locks. But I mean, I'm doing the same thing with my locks that I would do with my loose natural hair. As you can see, this is a 2-strand twist out. I had to find ways to experiment with my hair and get creative, and I discovered styles that reflected directly to my inner self, and this pretty much amplified my confidence. When I started doing that, I'm like, ooh, because I can just imagine how my hair will look 3 months from now, 3 years from now. I just want y'all to remember that confidence is not totally based on how you look. It's pretty much about how you feel. When you embrace your natural beauty, your natural locks for who and what they are, all that confidence starts to radiate. Step 4 is all about building a supportive community. Surrounding yourself with people who uplift and inspire you can be a game changer. I got lucky in this aspect because every woman in my family has locks. Every single woman in my family has locks. And for a long time I was like, I'm not doing it. I am not doing it. But it made it so much easier for me. It made my journey so much easier. They were able to tell me the ins and outs, the ups and downs, different stages, different types of hair. And I was able to actually see and witness their journey. They were gonna tell me the real, so I appreciated that. It pretty much worked wonders for my confidence. The fact that I had my entire family around me and I could see their transformations. With the wonders of technology, social media, it's easy to connect with communities like on Facebook. There's so many lock communities. You can hit the hashtags for locks, and this allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, people like you, people who are doing the same thing. Being a part of a supportive community is like a safety net. You can seek advice, share your challenges, and celebrate milestones. Step 5, daily affirmations, a practice that can truly transform your journey. They are like little love notes to yourself. Affirmations are positive statements that help shift your mindset. They're like planting seeds of self-love and confidence into the garden of your soul. Bars. Affirming my locks is one of my favorite things to do. Talk to them like you would your plants or the people that you love. Compliment them. For example, not my locks growing and flourishing so nice. Not my locks being all moisturized. Look at y'all just growing so gracefully and beautifully. Y'all get what I'm saying? If you affirm your locks, let me know how you speak to your locks in the comments. It can be as simple as, I am confident in my locks. My locks are beautiful, growing gracefully. Why are my locks growing so fast? By repeating these affirmations, you're training yourself to believe in everything that you're saying, and you're focusing on your strengths. Over time, you will find that your confidence will grow stronger and stronger. Thank you for joining me today on the Self-Love Soul Sister channel. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel to get more updates, DIY lock products, and more self-love, confidence, and motivation. Keep embracing your natural beauty and let your confidence shine bright, sis. Be you. Get out there and show these people who you are with your beautiful locks growing so freely. Stay fabulous and keep rocking your locks and being you. Until next time, bye.